Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. I saw in different kind of video films that ladies were using the so-called tab binding for making journals, and I thought I will give it a try, and I created a journal in which I used the tab binding. And it looks kind of like this. It is my first attempt, so maybe not perfect yet, but I like how you can work with pages, adding one to another, and yeah, I like the end result, and I think I'm going to use it more often. I will show you the inside. I had some beautiful paper here in my stash, and I thought it was beautiful to try it for this kind of journal. So at the first page here I made a side pocket. I used a lot of ephemera from Ruby, and I sold that I bought that, sorry, in her Etsy shop. And these papers and the envelopes like these, they're all from a kit I bought from her. It's a beautiful kit if you like vintage, and I do like vintage a lot. So yeah. Here on the second page I made another side pocket, and here I created some kind of little booklet with some pages to write, and here I created a tab. You can put a picture there if you like, and here underneath you can add as well a picture or a note. So a little booklet here, just because I wanted to create room for writing, and also create many pockets so you can put little notes or other kinds of pictures and so. Here I created a side pocket, and within also one of the beautiful vintage envelopes. I didn't put anything inside, that's for the buyer to do. And on top of this I had some really cute kind of seals, which I got from one of my daughters, and she bought it in, I think it was South Korea, in Seoul. And this opens like this, and here you can put a beautiful picture. Here, this is from another kit, and that kit I bought years ago. It's a receipt, and on the back you can journal. And here is a side pocket with also a piece of ephemera. So that goes like this, and then I made a booklet a little bit in the middle, just for creating yeah, lots of room for writing. And here is a tag with on the back also room for making notes. And the pictures are also from a kit, but I don't know which one exactly that was, but also bought on the internet. Here's some different pages, tea-dyed and vintage receipts, a piece of vellum, music papers, the other side of the from the invoice, sorry. Just a lot of room for writing, because in the other half of the journal there isn't that much room. And yeah, I always like to make notes or write down a story or something. So in my journal there's always room for writing. Here a tag I've made, and that's also one of the pieces from the kit from, I think she's Ruby. Ruby, she calls herself. Here another side pocket, and also a piece of ephemera. And on the back room for journaling. So that goes in there. here and there I put a piece of lace, pretty lace, just to add a little bit extra. And this flips over. And here I made a pocket, and behind it one of the beautiful envelopes. And in the pocket I put another old receipt, and here a teeny tiny little booklet, just to add a mini picture or something. And so this is the pocket. So this goes in there, and this is the tiny booklet. And here on this page, let's see, I made a kind of a file folder, and here is another receipt. And ooh, I glued that. Ooh, I have to restore this later. I glued that accidentally to the side pocket. That was not meant to be. And here I put in a little booklet on the middle, and over here you can put something in. Behind it I made a card that also can go here, whatever you like. Here I made a little pocket with a beautiful vintage receipt. And behind it I created a tag with a beautiful paper, and behind it some room for writing. I bought the kit in a Dutch store here. It's called the Witte Boekenwinkel. I don't know, I couldn't find the first page that said which was the brand, but I thought it was Studio Light. And here I made a pocket on top, and underneath is also one of the beautiful envelopes, and that goes in there. And here this can open. Here you have room for a beautiful photo, and this is another tag with room for writing, and underneath is a beautiful receipt. Invoice, sorry. My French is not all that well, as you notice, but I'm trying. So, and this is also the last page of the journal. This is the back. It's beautiful with the blue roses and white roses, just beautiful paper. And this is the front. I really liked this style of binding, so I'm going to try out some more. And if I'm finished, I will show the result. Hopefully you like this video. If you do, please subscribe or give me a thumb up or give a reaction. I would love to hear from you. Have a very nice weekend. Bye bye.